What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I figured I'd bring you along, show you harvesting some of the vegetables in the garden, the zucchini, the cucumbers, and then also a little bit of pruning that I have to do, removing some of the dead leaves. So just in case you haven't seen it, I'll show you what I'm doing. So the sun's finally going down, so the leaves are kind of perking back up a little bit. There we go. I go back to where the stem is and try to make a cut so it doesn't damage the vegetable. So right here we got a bunch. Okay, let me come around the other side. And this one here looks beautiful. Okay. So, things that I'm looking for while I'm in here is like this leaf. See how it's starting to yellow? I get that out to help increase airflow. I got another one that's yellow and dead. I got another one. So I'm just trimming them out. So this helps with the air circulation for the plant to allow a little bit more airflow. Like I said, anything that's yellowing, it comes out. This is a droopy leaf from this morning. I'm going to leave that on for a little bit. I will check it tomorrow morning. If it's still droopy like that, it's coming out. And see, these were actually covering each other. So if this has anything, it possibly could have gave it to this one. So that's why they all come out. When they start looking bad, they're coming out. So I think I kind of showed this earlier today in my garden tour. I did have some type of possibly like a bacterial brown spot caused by, we had a lot of rain for about 2 weeks. We were getting thunderstorms almost every day. So it really helped the garden to grow because of all the water, but it definitely did not help these leaves out. So I'm thinking about direct sowing some seeds again. What's today? Today's the 23rd, so that will give, if you say, about a week for germination, so that puts me at the end of July. And then typically with cucumbers, you're able to harvest after about 45 to 50 days. So the whole month of August, they'll be growing. Halfway through September, hopefully it starts producing, and I can get some more cucumbers the end of September through October. And then here's what I was able to clip out. And then here was what I was able to harvest today. So pretty good. We have some family coming over tomorrow, so I'll be giving some people some veggies. I've pulled probably about 8 other cucumbers this week, and probably about another 4 or 5 zucchini. So they're still pumping out, which is awesome. I'm going to cheat a little bit. From this location, the sun's blocked by the house. So, well, thanks for coming along, checking this out. I got to show you a little harvest. I got to show you a little pruning. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about it, like I said, don't forget to drop it down in the comments. Ask me whatever. I'll get back to you. Hopefully everybody's growing great vegetables this year. If you're having any really good crops, definitely let me know what you're growing. Always like hearing it, so then I can try to plan accordingly for next season. I always like having a good plan for the next year. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.